Hello friends, today we are going to discuss phases of a compiler. So there are 8 phases of a compiler which are available. So what are the concept of a language processor, compiler, which we will cover in a last lecture. So today we are going to discuss about phases of a compiler. So first of all, what is compiler? Compiler, it is a system program. It takes high level language or pure high level language as a input, process it and gives assembly code or object code or machine code as a output. So there are different processes which is to be run in a behind to process from high level language to the object code. The processes are lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, target code generator, symbol table and error handler. Okay, so we will discuss these things one by one. First one is lexical analyzer. So what is lexical analyzer? It is a first step of a compiler design or compiler. The responsibility of lexical analyzer is that to create the stream of a token from the given high level language instruction. Next one is whenever this token is given to the syntax analyzer, the responsibility of syntax analyzer or parser to create parse for the given stream of a token. So what is the concept of a tokens, pattern and lexeme? We will discuss these things in a next lecture. So till now what we have covered lexical analyzer and syntax analyzer. So what is lexical analyzer? It is also called as lex or scanner. The instruction which are given to the lexical analyzer which is to be converted in a token. Okay, now this token is given to the syntax analyzer. So what is responsibility of syntax analyzer? To create parse tree for the given stream of a token from the given grammar. Now this parse tree is given to the semantic analyzer. The responsibility of semantic analyzer to prepare the parse tree or to verify the parse tree semantically. So the output of semantic analyzer here is a parse tree. So the responsibility of semantic analyzer to check the whether the parse tree is ready for execution or not. Now next one is intermediate code generator. So intermediate code generator, it is a code generator which is used to create the 3 address code. It create the 3 address code. So there are different terms which are available or working behind in an intermediate code generator, that is quadruple, triple, okay, and triples. We will discuss these things in a upcoming lecture. So till now what we consider intermediate code generator gives 3 address code. Okay, now this 3 address code, what is this 3 address code? There are only 3 addresses or less than 3 addresses are available in that instruction. That instruction is called as 3 address instruction. Now this instruction is given to the code optimizer. So as its name suggests, what is the responsibility of code optimizer? It reduces the size of a code. Now this instruction, reduce instruction, is given to the target code generator, and then finally target code generator create the assembly code for the given instruction. There are 2 blocks are remaining over here, symbol table and error handler, which is connected to the each and every block of a compiler, that is lexical, syntax, semantic, intermediate, code optimizer and target code generator. So what is symbol table handler? So symbol table handler, it is the responsibility of symbol table handler to handle the each and every symbol, newly symbol, which is to be created at each execution process of a compiler. Next, error handling. As its name suggests, there are different error which is to be might become and which is to be handled by error handler. Lexical error, syntax error, logical error, division by zero error, which is to be handled by the error handling. Okay, thank you.